So, I've been working on a new project recently. It's a 3D printed M79 thumper grenade launcher. It is legal in Texas because it counts as a 37mm flare gun. So that's what it is essentially, technically, as you shoot flares out of them. It is printed with PLA+, GST 3D PLA+, on a Voxlab Aquila at 0.16 layer height. That's why it's smooth, but it of course takes forever. This is a receiver and the barrel, 3-piece barrel. You have to put a metal tube inside. I got the sighting here, and then I got some small parts. There's plenty of other small parts, but overall, I'm just going to leave this out, besides these two, because, of course, I'm going to show you that they do fit in here nicely. This one goes here. This is the ejector. So you actually put a spring in here, and then goes like that, and it'll eject. So put it here. There you go. See, there's a spring right there, and it'll eject out, shoot the shell out. This is the, like I said, I think I said this already. This is the receiver, and then here's the cool part. You put this inside of here, slides in nicely, and there you go. Right? You have your, put a pin through there, and it'll come out. If you hold it like this, you can see how it looks like a grenade launcher. If you had the back end of the receiver right here, where the trigger would go and other firing components, right? And you add the barrel, which will go onto with the tube. And you add this, which actually has a inserting part here, right there. The sights, right? So go. Let me get this in here. Whatever. I'm not going to do that. Too much work. Anyway, so as you can see, when it would actually be lined up and linked together, that's what it would look like, a real M79. And I also have the what is it, handpiece here. It would go it slides into there. And as you can see, like, you can really see how it comes together, right? And then that goes there. But I don't know. I'm gonna finish this later on when I have a bit more money and time to do all this stuff. I also got a couple of other projects I'm working on. I still have my ghillie suit and some other stuff that I won't be talking about. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is really cool. I mean, this is the coolest thing ever.